Hey everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. As always, we gotta move on to talk about one big secret will help you learn English like a native. Exposure. Every day, all the way, and everywhere. Whenever you go, whenever you are, whoever you are. We've got a lot of resources. Online, newspapers, news, movies, sitcoms, songs. We have a lot. Check up your level first, and then try to choose something according to your own level, and go on. Do not say it's too early. It's never too early. You gotta start now. That's what I'm doing in my channel. You're gonna see a lot of resources. Never give up, give it your best shot, and take it easy.